Katuwang ng ang Probinsyano Party List sa pamamahagi ng mga wheelchair at iba pang tulong sa 100 persons with disabilities o PWDs na mga Q-citizen ang aktor na si Piolo Pascual na ginanap sa Quezon City Hall nitong Martes sa Quezon City. Kasama ni Congressman Alfred De Los Santos, sina Majority Floor Leader, Councilor Dorothy De La Rumente, Councilor Aiko Melendez, Cornerstone Entertainment Vice President Jeff Badillo, at iba pang miyembro ng Probinsyano Party List. Bukod sa ibinigay na wheelchair, namigay rin ng grocery packs sa mga PWD kasama kanilang pamilya ng mga benepisyaryo, ang mga kawani ng Person with Disability Affairs Office o PDAO at ang Quezon City Government. Sa opening remarks, ipinaabot ni Quezon City PDAO Head Deborah Dacanay ang kanyang pasalamat kay Piolo Pascual, Councilor Melendez, De Los Santos at ang Probinsyano Party List. Kuya, ano po masasabi niyo?
Unang-una nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon at sa mga taong pinasanggapan niya. Masalamat ako sa ating mga nagbigay biyaya. Unang-una sa ating mga sponsor.
Thank you.
Papa Piolo at Quezon City Department. Salamat po.
Thank you po kay Sir Piolo at kay Ma'am Aiko Melendez sa mga binigay niyo pong tulong sa amin. Laking tulong po para sa mga bata. Thank you po. Salamat.
Gusto kong batiin ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon. Ang Probinsyano Party List palakpakan po natin. Kung Abi, maraming salamat. Ilang taon na po kami magkakasama. Mula nung nagkakampaign po ako sa Probinsyano ng eleksyon. Ito, mag-i-eleksyon na ulit. Pero hindi po yung na-reason kung ba't kami nandito. Nakaplano po lahat ng mga outreach na gagawin namin sa community. Nakunin kanina sa speech ni Kong Abin, yung mga plataforma na naisulong na, nagawa na at ginagawa pa. Kaya palakpakan natin ang Probinsyano Party List. Kasi pag tayo nagkakampaign, di ba marami tayong mga pangako, marami tayong sinasabi na gusto natin gawin. Pero pag nakikita na natin ang nangyayari, nakakatuwa kasi nagtutupad yung pangako na binigay sa atin. At katulad po ng anumang meron tayo ngayon, ito po yung munting para makapag-share tayo sa ating community ng ating blessings at sa pamumuno po ng ang Probinsyano Party List and also Search Lifestyle and Fitness.
Yung totoo pong PWD, dapat po makareceive din po kayo ng allowance, 1,000 pesos or 500 per month, di ba? Tatrabahuin po natin yan sa Kongreso. Alam po namin ang hirap ng isang magulang na may anak na PWD o ang isang ina na PWD na may anak. So dahil po dito, sana po mapasa po natin itong 1,000 pesos per month. Thank you po. And also, meron na rin po tayong mga final na bill sa Kongreso. Umuusad na po ito, katulad po ng dagdag na diskwento para sa ating mga PWDs.
Just short interview lang, ask si Sir Piolo and our other distinguished guest and our majority leader to have a short statement kung bakit napaka-importante ng araw na ito sa Quezon City. We begin with Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Hello? Hindi ko sige ito. Your Honor. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And yeah, we're just here to basically, it's a gift giving, but it's more like sa mga pinag-usapan namin ni Kong Abid ng Probinsyano Party List is to do a lot of on-ground activities wherein we can help support, do outreach in our communities, and this is one of them na pag-agreehan namin, na gawin namin, especially after the election, na para ipatupad yung mga plataforma at yung mga pangako po na ibinigay natin sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya po kami nandito ngayon. Nagpapasalamat kami kasi nagkaroon kami ng chance to have a small gathering and to, I guess, ako naramdaman ko kasi parang spirit ng Christmas na no? Papalapit na ulit yung Christmas, people are everywhere, people are already outside. So, ang sarap na magbigay ng kaunting biyaya, kaunting kasiyahan sa ating mga napipiling sektor sa komunidad. And ayun, masaya ako kasi bilang kasama ko sa Provinciano Party List, nagagawa ko rin yun bilang artista, bilang celebrity at pagbigay ka ng ginhawa at kahit kaunting kasiyahan sa ating mga kababayan. So yun lang po yung pakay natin dito.
Next, si Congressman Alfred Del Santos.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. First of all po, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa oras na binigay nyo. Basically po, what we do here is actually give smiles to people. Very good yung advocacy ni Sir Jeff, na Cornerstone, at ni Sir Piolo na yung mga beauty kahit papano, it should make their lives a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more enjoyable and livable. So, it's a very good part with the LGU of Quezon City. Dito si Aiko and si Majo. Yung partnership po ng Cornerstone ni Sir Piolo at ng Provinciano Party List, napakaganda because it really advocates to people who are really in need. So, we go to Gilas areas, we go to geographically isolated, disadvantaged areas to see what the people really need. And katulad nitong event na to, nakita ko yung mga bata na PWD, nakita nila si Sir Piolo, ang ganda ng mga ngiti, and that is more than enough reward for all of us. So, yun po, again, maraming salamat po for being here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Jeff from Cornerstone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Yung masasabi ko lang po dito sa event, actually, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina during dun sa mismong event natin dito. For me, it comes from a very personal vantage point because I'm also a person with disability and I know how it feels to lose something. Iba-iba lang siguro kami ng level of disability, but for me, losing a right hand made a big impact in my life. And I guess kaya ako naka-move on at kaya ako nagkaroon ng inspirasyon para mag-aral at yung ipabuti yung buhay ko. Dahil may mga taong tumulong sa akin along the way. Kaya parang sa akin, napakahalaga na yaman nandito ako sa Cornerstone Entertainment, of course, and in partnership with our government officials. It's very important to give people with disability that little push that they need in order for them to have their own livelihood, to stand and then, you know, live comfortably and in a way, in a sense, independently din. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa Provinciano, of course, Congressman Alfred. This is just a start. Gaya na napag-usapan namin, ito ay simula pa lang ng aming advocacy. At sa pinagsamang pwersa ng Cornerstone, of course, and ng Provinciano, we aim to help more disabled people realize their dreams. That is our goal, is to give them the tools that they need to be independent, to be efficient and effective, and we're going to do that, of course, with Provinciano by our side. And I would like to appreciate and I would like to thank, of course, the Quezon City government. Such an amazing city. I am proud to belong in this city that's very organized and that helps different sectors in the community, particularly the people with disability. I'm part of it. I have my own ID, by the way. So, and under Quezon City. So, maraming salamat po, of course, sa ating mga councilors, Councilor De La Mente, Councilor Miss Aiko. Okay, and then, of course, si Miss Debbie. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong niyo sa lahat ng mga persons with disability. At lalo Mr. Piolo Pascual, siya po ay talent namin, pero nung na-bring up sa kanya yung idea of helping persons with disability, as in talagang sobrang 100% yung kanyang passion to really help these people. And it's not just giving gifts, it's about shining a light on this community. That this community is part of the country. In Quezon City alone, you have around 61,000 people, registered persons with disability. And imagine that, multiply that to cover the entire country. That's a huge demographic. And what they need is not just special treatment, it's the tools and the necessary help. And we're all partnering to help in a small way that we can. So, yun lang po.
Thank you, sir. Next po, si Majority Leader Villarmete.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. On behalf of Quezon City and headed by Mayor Joy Belmonte, syempre gusto po namin magpasalamat of course sa ang probinsyano party list, Congressman Alfred, Cornerstone Entertainment, Sir Jeff, Papa P. First of all, thank you for choosing Quezon City. No, Quezon City, as we know, is the biggest city in the Philippines. And naturally, sa amin din yung pinakamaraming persons with disability. So we have 69,000 plus. Ginagawa namin ang lahat para matugunan yung mga pangangailangan ng mga PWDs namin. Pero syempre, dahil sa laki, kakailanganin pa rin namin ng tulong mula sa mga private sector or sa mga iba't ibang sektor na tulad ninyo. So malaki pong tulong to. Maraming salamat po. Ay nakikita naman po natin sa mata at sa ngiti ng ating po mga PWD patients at ng mga pamilya nila yung saya at yung pagmamahal at yung tuwa na nandito kayo ngayon para bigyan sila ng tulong. So again, on behalf of Quezon City, maraming salamat.
Next, we have Councilor Aito Melendez.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity, of course, to thank Congressman Alfred De Los Santos. You know, so I was telling Congressman Alfred that when you're a congressman of a party list, it's like you're a senator because you're going around the whole Philippines. But for him to give time in Quezon City, nagpapasalamat kami on behalf of Mayor Joy Belmonte for giving us time and for choosing this sector, PIDAO. Sa mga hindi ko nakakaalam, I am the Vice Chairman for this committee in the City Council. It just means that this is closest to my heart. We'd also like to thank the presence of Mr. Piolo Pascual. You know, a big star as him, giving time and effort to be here in Quezon City is such a big pride for our city. So Papa P, thank you so much. We all call him Papa P because he's so lovable, not only in the industry, but you know, you can see he has a big heart. So congratulations also Kong Alfred, and of course Sir Jeff, who is my friend also. Thank you for choosing Quezon City on behalf of Cornerstone. And lahat po kami sa namumuno po dito, headed by our Mayor Joy Belmonte, the #1 mayor in the Philippines, who has a big heart for the PIDAO. Maraming salamat po for choosing Quezon City. Thank you. Ma'am Debbie, of course, thank you. Sir Engelbert, ang aming napakagaling na PIDAO po. Sa PAISD po, siya po ang taga ng bawat departamento po sa buong Quezon City. Sir, thank you.
Excellent po. Then we have Ms. Debbie Danganay, the head of our PIDAO.
Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa Cornerstone Entertainment, sa Congressman Alfred De Los Santos, Papa P, tawagin ko rin po. Of course, ang ating representative ng ating Mayor, Majority Leader Lorraine Villarmete, Councilor Aito Melendez. On behalf of Mayor Joy Belmonte, kami po ay nagagalak for this opportunity. You know, as mentioned by other guests, no, we are promoting inclusion in Quezon City, and Quezon City is 1/4 of NCR, and it's really hard to provide everything for our constituents. And yung mga assistive devices that will promote mobility are so expensive, and the socioeconomic low-income level cannot afford to buy kahit a simple wheelchair. Sila po yung mga hindi nakakapag-aral, sila po yung hindi nakakapunta sa malls for simple things like that because they cannot afford. And because of this partnership, we also want sa entertainment industry to make also inclusive. Like in Quezon City, it's free for persons with disability to go to the movie theater, but the deaf cannot go to the movie theater because there's no subtitle. And in our city, we have an interpreter para po ma-communicate na aming mga departments ang iba't ibang mga programa at mensahe. So that's also one congressman na pwede po natin gawin, no? To make inclusive also sa entertainment industry para maka-access po yung mga deaf, no? Makanood sila ng movie, maintindihan po. So we have the staffs na deaf po, si Lemuel. So meron po kami interpreter na nagbibigay po sa kanya ng information. So that's one also. And yung opportunity also for persons with disabilities, in Quezon City we have 69,000 because we have a very eligible and registration po, no? So, yung fake IDs po, no? Sige, sabihin ko na po. Yung fake IDs po, that's 100% ang aming ginagawang paglilinis, no? Hindi po galing sa amin yung fake IDs. It's just that, ito po yung ginagawang oportunidad ng mga oportunista using the privilege, the rights of the persons with disability, inaagawan po nitong mga individual na to. No? So let's fight together, let's report, let's do not normalize this wrongdoing of falsification of PWD ID just to get the 20% discount and the 12% of the VAT exclusion. Marami na po kami nasampahan ng kaso sa korte at si Mayor Joy po ay hindi po talaga tinotolerate po ito. Right now, we have 4 cases ongoing because of falsification of the persons with disability ID. And sa ating po mga persons with disability sa Quezon City, so mag-coordinate lang po tayo sa PDAO, let's register dun po sa wala pa pong PWD ID. Katulad po ng mga tumutulong po sa atin ngayon, no? Mahalaga po yung ating registry dahil marami pong gustong tumulong po sa atin. And because of our registry, kahit short yung ating preparation, we can make it because meron po tayong maayos na registry. So maraming salamat po ulit. Thank you po for this.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Debbie. So now,